We are working with a ton of users who want to kickstart their development with autonomous agents, and they might not know where to start. There are some use cases that a lot of people have in common, especially when you are building software. And so, whether you want to troubleshoot issues, writing something like release notes or raising PRs, SDLC lifecycle agents are a great place to get started from an autonomous agent perspective. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. We will be creating and running a durable SRE agent using the open source project, which is HolmesGPT, and our AI orchestration platform, Diagrid Catalyst. And this is, you can kind of think of an SRE agent, if you haven't used one before, as like your first line of defense, kind of that like first responder to any critical infrastructure issues that might be occurring, whether that's in your Kubernetes cluster or a VM or any sort of layer in the technology stack. And so the primary goal here is to have something to help you when, if you're an operator and an incident is occurring, being able to have a single point place you can go, to have recommendations, to troubleshoot, and really just providing insight into kind of what to do next before, eventually we would want the SRE agent to be able to implement these playbooks autonomously. But yeah, so that's what we're going to talk about today is this SRE agent, and we are going to be using this we're going to be doing this with the open source HolmesGPT project, and which is a SRE agent. And then we're coupling that with the durability layer of Diagrid Catalyst, which essentially backs the HolmesGPT agent, providing a durable execution layer so that if it fails for any reason, the pod goes down, if network issue happens, it will pick up from where it left off instead of having to rerun its full execution from the very beginning. So this not only ensures that the agent runs to completion every time, but it also saves costly like LLM calls or just like plain old resource usage from rerunning that process.